Understanding Majestic In, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on Majestic In. This phrase might sound simple, but it holds a lot of meaning and can greatly enrich your English language skills. Let's explore its significance and usage together. Majestic in is a phrase that combines the adjective majestic, meaning grand, magnificent, or dignified in a way that inspires awe, with the preposition in. This combination is used to describe something that possesses these qualities within a specific context or environment. For example, the castle looked majestic in the morning light, suggests that the castle appears especially grand and impressive in the particular setting of the morning light. To fully grasp the usage of majestic in, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. The mountains are majestic in their silent grandeur. She looked majestic in her royal attire. The old library seemed even more majestic in the dim evening light. Notice how in each case, majestic in is used to highlight a particular quality of the subject in relation to its surroundings or circumstances. While using majestic in, be careful not to confuse it with similar sounding phrases. For example, majestic on or majestic at don't convey the same meaning. The preposition in is crucial as it indicates that the majesty is inherent in the subject within its specific context. I hope this video helps you understand and use majestic in more confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, English is a language full of nuances, and phrases like this add depth and elegance to your communication. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.